City of San Marcos maintains nearly 200 miles of roadways that keep transportation running smoothly throughout our city. Our roads are a valuable resource. So, how do we determine what gets repaired within this labyrinth of streets, and when? A strategic pavement management system is used to chart the course for necessary road repairs throughout the year, rather than fixing the worst first.
You might wonder why we're repairing a road that seems to be in good shape prior to a street that is in need of more substantial repair. The most cost-effective way to maintain our roads is to protect roads from deteriorating and not taking a worse first strategy. Completely resurfacing a road can cost 10 times as much as preventative maintenance.
That preventative maintenance approach is the key to making sure the roads we travel on throughout our city are continually monitored and repaired. The more we can preserve good roads and extend the life of our pavement, the less frequently we will have to do major and costly paving work.
San Marcos Pavement Management System allows us to collect, analyze, maintain, and report pavement data. This helps our decision makers determine the best strategies to maintain our roads over a long period of time for the least amount of cost.
First, we rate our roads each year to determine the condition of every road in our city. This process also takes repairs and traffic volume into consideration. We then chart those Pavement Condition Index scores, PCIs, of our roads with associated costs to determine how we can best extend the life of our roadways and allocate limited resources. Finally, we determine the exact type of preservation work that needs to be done to maintain the roads and move forward with that solution as a construction project.
A healthy roadway system leans more heavily on preserving what we have, just like what we're doing here. By keeping our roads in good shape through preventative maintenance, we are able to keep expensive repairs, such as resurfacing, to a minimum. It's all about applying the right treatment to the right place at the right time to maximize a roadway's condition.
The City of San Marcos' proactive approach to taking care of our vital roadways and corridors allows us to be careful stewards of taxpayer dollars. This innovative concept is how we'll ensure smooth streets in our community for years to come. To learn more, go to sanmarcos.net/stateofoursstreets. Report a street repair request through the San Marcos City app.